Hi there, I'm Dan Kniff with Interplant Sales. I'm going to run a Cincinnati 22-inch Cincinnati Bickford Super Service drill for you here today. The machine features a sliding head on it, so you move the head up and down here. It's got an adjustable table that can be moved up and down here, and the round table. This table can swivel out of the way if you have a big part and go down to the lower table. It's got a number 4 morse taper. It's got power down feed. It's a good old heavy duty drill. It's got 10-inch spindle travel. It's pretty nice. It's got a chrome spindle on it. Machine's currently wired for 440 volt 3-phase. Has a work light on it. It's got a tapping handle on it, which means forward reverse here. We'll start the machine up. Reverse. Nice for tapping with this handle like this. Power down feed. That was 188 RPM. This is 431 right there. It's 148. This is 512. Goes up to 1200 RPM. This will be 1200. This is 800. It's a good running machine. Comes with a 30-day return. If you have any questions, give us a call.